Take me to Jamaica. Take me to Jamaica. See one another one there? Yeah. And he took me to the bathroom, showered me, and brushed my teeth. I said, you don't have your long johns on? No.
Everybody can see it. Say me a overdo it, oh yeah. Aye, y'all be say, why make you clean so? Y'all be say, why make you clean so? High grade smoke that flow through the window. Me a overdo it. Woman I feel, love me style, let me smell me cologne from my mind. Love me style, me squeeze your breast, them wet fragile. Me don't love man, so don't love me. Me get y'all easy like Doremi. Me want every y'all load halfway tree. Me a overdo it. Unruly dash, spaceship if half and them can't see me. Inna the front, man I squeeze up them girlfriend kitty. Me have the key for the place like this. Higher than sky, vodka we no use.
Hello, me new Jules, me old Jules, me in between Jules. Welcome to another vlog. But this, of course you are. Of course you're allowed to look rough. Oh my gosh, listen. Bay has seen me the roughest. Bay has seen me going from being light to blick to blick. Bay is cute. Bay, you know what he did one time, yeah? When I got drunk. We got home now, yeah? And he took me to the bathroom, showered me, and brushed my teeth. That's so cute. Isn't it? That's so considerate. Because me now, I was going to jump into bed. Because I was so drunk. I was going to jump into bed. They was like, no, you have to shower. So he got the flannel and he got the soap and he scrubbed me properly. He didn't miss an inch or a corner. And he brushed my teeth. He is a good man. And then we got in the bedroom and then you know what happened after that.
Okay.
No, seriously, he didn't miss an inch there. That was amazing.
Okay, right. So, let me just make sure all the windows are up.
We're gonna watch the car now.
Let me just make sure all the windows are up so no water gets in that way. The inside is so messy, definitely have to get a deep cleaning. I don't think I can do that.
Yeah, today. You have to. You know they clean it for like £5, isn't it? Yeah. From like Edmonton and stuff. Guys, I'm about to get dirty. I'm about to clean some car.
Yeah.
Goody.
I actually want to take my scarf off because once my neck is cold, I'm in problem.
Everybody gets cold, isn't it? Right, let me start helping. Did you go from top to bottom then?
Yeah.
So what did you from the rooftop first? Did you from the rooftop?
Yeah.
Mini. You can never have nothing if you don't work hard. Can't achieve nothing if you don't work hard. Hard work, you know. Now make no money if you don't work hard. Oh yeah. Sure. Hustler baby, you know that I make. Me have couple dog, me know that it for me. That I say love, that I say loyalty. Before you fuck with the family, just try remember me. I have to protect the dog, them member enough for it. The money, the fame, no mean nothing to me.
Ladies, place your hands on your knees. Now, sink in your back. Take your time and look on the man while you're wiping. You ready? Come.
Quick for talk. Leave me la.
No, mommy, the washing machine. I see my mother one broke down there to she move out.
Hey vlog world, don't mind me this morning. The Jules.
Because it's brown and pretty.
And Mr. Jules and new Jules and old Jules and
Wait.
Hey, nobody with the accent.
wait. What is a party standard?
Listen, about 12 lessons we do, you know. We can't, but the manual was so. The manual. What is the portion?
We have.
I just got blessing.
What do you mean? So you not use nothing?
To be alive, me tell
No,
you.
mommy doesn't use anything.
I couldn't tell us me lotion try me feel so embarrassed when the mistake says boy me treat me skin bad. Yeah. Yeah, vlog girl. And it was
Bruh, it's cold. Do you see how cold it is? This is cold, bruh. Look at Bobby in his scarf and hat and jumper.
wash car.
Keep the car till Christmas, man.
But if you can get sailing go on, I can come on.
Jolly get down, good lord.
You know, say you will have with the point.
Bobby, keep it for our sake.
so I'm gonna run for the time.
Mommy don't wrong him. I hope he keep up to it.
That's true, man.
Yeah, so
Take me to Jamaica. Take me to Jamaica. See one another one there? Look. See? You see? I want to go back. I want to go to Jamaica. Oh God. I miss Bay so much.
Oh, just to watch this.
You think we come
So
from
you
bus?
never not any jeans?
No.
Jesus Christ.
You don't have your long johns on?
No.
What?
Yo, if you're not from England, you don't know what long johns are. I'm gonna insert a picture in this vlog right here. Long john. So long johns are the male's version of leggings or tights. Coming like leg and it's tight. It's tight. It's tight. It is tight. When they wear long johns, you see everything. It's very. The footballers wear it. Yeah. That's not long johns then. It's true. It's true.
I want them suck out from the balls.
It's true. No, honestly, proper long johns. No, proper long johns suck onto everything. They're tight.
The cold treatment men balls.
You're gonna meet a man, don't see them thinking.
Oh no, it's true, you know.
Because you know
It's true.
What did you come
Lord, you want a conversation this morning.
Good morning, vlog world. Yeah, this is the family. The family are back.
Message chatty today.
Yeah, Miguel.
My message chatty and tell us I look forward for the Christmas hype.
I see him. My,
Show you, man.
you know see him?
Which part?
Hey, let me keep them all like that. I'm joking. I asked for a picture though. I asked for.
Brody.
No sir.
No, sir.
I love Brody.
American.
But Brody is a bonner man.
I don't believe you.
Brody and the bonner man.
You never see them, and every time you see Tati and Brody, she did them with, and when them cashing out about the place.
Cashew or Shane.
Yes, you know about the place.
Oh yeah. No, but that time she wasn't dealing with Cashew.
What do you mean?
Remember?
Of course, what you mean? She never did a deal with him.
Oh, when
They were just starting to break off or something like that, or then you just
yeah,
break
because it
off or
happened in
something.
was it February, January times?
If you're a bonner man, it means them did a deal same way.
Oh yes,
Or if you're a
true.
bonner man, if they never did
Oh
break
yeah,
up.
Yes,
true.
Tabia, yes, true.
Talk the things, Bobby.
Yes, Bobby,
talk.
yeah.
Where
Analyze the
you?
situation, my boy.
If you carry on.
And can put. You see, Bobby is smart.
Yes.
He's the family's like
yes.
representative in anything. Weddings, formal, everything. That's why when I graduate. Hey, Bobby.
You know, sit down and watch it from the beginning.
To the end.
When she graduated from school.
Is it?
Yes.
Oh my God, you good.
Yes.
But you know that her new man didn't put in the vlogs though. So you didn't analyze good enough.
No, because I think, you know, I'm more excited than one of them at Jamaica. I'm not really,
Yeah, so.
when I'm America, I'm not really watch the one. Look how it looks nice out of you.
Ooh, damn. It's looking nice.
Nice already, don't you?
Yes.
I know something like white car.
Me, Jules, look at this. This thing is heavy. Oh, Lord.
Yeah, we got work on it now.
Work. See me happy. Work. Jesus.
No, when you wash car, sorry, come on.
So I'm asking something. We should name the body stop car wash up at
Montier.
Montier with the idea.
Oh, Shani.
Ashani,
I'm here, so they go, Shani, man, they go, good no.
Oh my God, look. Another airplane. No, Jesus.
From where?
From Heathrow
to Montego Bay.
To Kingston.
Yeah, to Kingston though. Yes. Fly
So
from
which all them
Heathrow.
fly from Gatwick before to Kingston?
Yes, only Gatwick could have go, but no Heathrow. But the bad thing about your Kingston, so Patrick, all right now.
But him always go Kingston anyway.
Yeah, Marius got Kingston. Remember, say from Heathrow near.
Oh yes, found with him there.
Yeah, near, pretty near. Can't start walk early in the morning. So that's good for him. If then they go and take a bit and jump up here, hooray!
But you know, you see if we go to Kingston and we save on 200 pounds, we go Kingston. But if we not save nothing,
Yeah, of course.
we not saving money.
Just enjoy the ride.
But if we land at Kingston, we not drive the same night.
You just stay over.
Yes. We never drive the same night.
Kingston's far, isn't it? They want to be stuck up in Kingston.
Look over
when-
here. Look over here. Look over here. We have to travel. More
go
than
Gatwick.
motorway now. We go and Gatwick alone. It's like going from Kingston to Midway.
Is it?
It's not longer. Not sure, Bobby.
No man, from Gatwick to from where me live, from where you live, it longer. Or we live about hour and 15 minutes.
Seriously.
It kind of is. Yeah. Whichever, whatever. Mommy did it. Hi vlog. Say bye, me Jules.
Bye, my Jules.
Bye bye.
You,
Me
Jules in
Jules.
between Jules.
Look at the camera, book.
What's that, me Jules?
Me Jules.
Seriously?
Come on. Say bye bye.
Bye, me Jules. Bye bye.
I'll see.
We never vlogging business, so I'm gonna use that.
I'll see you later, me Jules. Peace
Is the man with the
out. Please remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Yeah? Because when I win, you win. When I win, you win. When I win, you